Hi guys, I'm Tamás from Mxguards, and most of them I think heard about that we are the new distributor in Europe for TSP products for the cylinder head, the Accuracy flash and the other goods. And I have tested in Romania the TSP system. I have fitted the low compression head, the new spark, the idle screw and the cylinder head. And I'm amazed. I think it's very smooth, very controllable. But this video is about the reliability, about this Accuracy flash. And I was in Romania in very tough conditions. I have near boiling point. I've used the bike near the boiling point. I have done whiskey throttle uphills too, and I've made an overall test with this. And now we are disassembling the head, and we will check how it looks the cylinder and how much oil it's on the piston and over the cylinder, and yeah, maybe if there are any problems, or we can see something that we don't want to see. So in the next few minutes I will be in the service room and I'll be back and we continue this video. Thank you. We have just finished the disassemble of the head. 2 bolts left. Let's figure this out. And in 1 minute we can see how performs the oiling, the fuel mixture, how it seems the cylinder. I just get the lamp, and I think it is perfect. You can see the cylinder is flawless, and I see a lot of oil there, so the oil, it's enough. I think it's perfect. Accuracy flash. TSP have done a very good job, I think. It was very tough conditions. The engine was very hot and no problems there. So
Please look at me, the cylinder head.
Okay. You should see the head. Here is the head. There is some oil too. So it's perfect, I think. It's very good. It's cool. It's very good, I think. TSP, congratulations. It's a very good Accuracy flash. The software is perfect. The bike are very smooth. I have used the low compression head. The bike runs very well. The traction is awesome. Some aggression has gone from the bike, and the top end power, it's more than enough. You can go up hills very smoothly, and going zigzags. It is perfect handling and going all over flawlessly. The bike is pretty good, but I was aware because I had with any Accuracy flash services, I had problems with the cylinder. There was some damage, and I have told here the guys, okay, that this weekend was in Romania the test. We should see how it performs if the cylinder and the piston is flawless. And it's okay, and it's flawless. So,
and after you try the other compression cylinder head?
Yeah, I think we should go for the medium head too. I will test it personally, but I go another run with this low compression head because I would like to test some other gearing, how it performs with other gearing. I will shorten the gearing. Now I'm running with 13 and 51 on the rear, and I think with a little shorter gearing will be better. But we will go back and we will test the medium compression head too. Yeah. So guys, it's perfect. You should use that. 100% safe. It's okay. So good.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Goodbye.